Other guys, and yeah, I have some really sad news, but I hope I might interest you in a way to help me get out of my sad situation. So let me explain. I just came back from a fantastic trip to Magubaskloof there in Limpopo province. It is a wooden forest, indigenous forest, one of the last pockets that we have left in the country. And I was going crazy photographing birds and enjoying it with my family. And it was just fantastic. And then my trusty 70 Mark II, it's this little guy here. You guys know it by now. It took a knock and the housing basically in between the camera and the lens got hurt. And yeah, it's very old. The camera is about 12 years old now, and the lens I bought it secondhand as well from a guy who retired from photography. And unfortunately, it's going to cost me quite a bit of money to either get it fixed and to replace it. So I'm trying to raise some funds, and that is where you guys might come in. So if you're into images of Africa, any type of image, I will show you now. I'll just take a little bit of a video now. But for one, this is one of the images that I took, and I have selected 90 photos that I am basically putting up for sale now, and it's going to be online. So it's going to be on a drive. So if you are interested to supporting this initiative, feel free to contact me. I'm going to leave my contact details in the description of this video and my banking details. So then I am selling this package. It's 90 photos for 1,500 Rand. I'll put on the screen how much that is in British pound and in euro and in dollar. It's fairly reasonable, I think. But yeah, this is what my image looks like. And here's another one. And let's see if I can get you to another one as well. There's another one. I'm not sure if I have that one, but I'm trying to basically sell all of the photos that I've taken with the 7D. So there's another one. So basically, guys, this is what the package is going to look like. Let me just flip the camera quickly. So I've got quite a few photos here, and I've named them A for animals. So there's 43 animal photos that I've got on here. And then I've got 30 bird photos. And these are some really nice. These are my favorite bird photos. I'm actually quite sad that I have to sell them now. But then I also have some frogs. There's one frog and some humans and some plants and some reptiles and some hojas. But if you're interested to help me out, I'm going to leave my banking details in the description of the video and also my email. So yeah, this is my way of being proactive and trying to see if I can raise the funds to get a new camera. I'm looking at an R7, and that is roughly 30,000 Rand. So if 30 of you guys help me out, I might be able to get a new camera body and the lens. But yeah, see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.